Hi, Brittany. This is Stephanie with Peerless Strategies. You had spoke with my business partner, Natalie, earlier today and said it was cool to go ahead and send over this video. So I want to show you three different things that will help you guys to start bringing in more customers. And so the three things I want to talk to you about are backlinks, content, and citations. So if we jump over here to Google and we search for mold remediation Orlando, first thing we see here is the map pack. And below that is the organic section. So looks like FP Restoration is your top competitor for your area. A main ranking factor here in this is going to be through backlinks, and all a backlink is just one website linking to another. So we'll go ahead and plug these guys in, see what they have going on. Um, we see here that they have 193 referring domains or other websites, giving them over 1,000 backlinks. When we plug you guys in, we see you have 57 referring domains, giving you 240 backlinks. So what would need to happen here is you need to pass them up in backlinking. So I'd say get maybe about 1,200 links pointing back to your website. And one thing with links is you can go ahead and go through all the links they have and see if you can get a link from those sites as well. But you want to just be really mindful of the type of links you're getting. You want relevant, trustworthy links. So relevant being that it's the website that you're linking from is going to be relevant to your industry, and trustworthy in the sense that it's not spammy. And so a great way to tell that is by looking at these metrics. Ideally, these are going to be double digits and pretty close to each other. So 28 and 28 or 28 and 30 would be really great. Um, the other thing I wanted to show you was keywords and kind of where you guys are sitting. So mold remediation Orlando is the top keyword. There's about 200 searches going on a month for that. If you're to pay for ads, it's about $25 per click. And we see you're sitting in the 21st position, so you're on the second page. Orlando mold remediation, that is only 20, but you're in the 21st for that as well. Mold test, there's 60 searches for that. You're in the 34th. Mold removal, there's 70. You're in the 35th position. Mold testing Orlando, there's 80 for that, 36th position. And just a few smaller words here that you could also be found for. We see you just kind of start dropping in rankings as we go down the list. So definitely just want to get found for these keywords and make sure these keywords are plugged into your site. So that brings me to my next subject, which is content. So when I refer to content, I'm just talking about all the words on your website. So in Google's eyes, content is king. So the more you have, the better. We always recommend about, I'd say 1,500 to 2,500 words of keyword rich content on this homepage, and lots of content on your back pages as well. So if you had, I know mold inspection is your only service, but if you had specific mold pages like mold removal, mold remediation, and just kind of be able to get lots of content on those back pages, you can actually rank those pages as well. So you can take up more than one of the positions here in the organic section. So coming over here to the map pack. So a ranking factor here in this area is going to be through citations. And all a citation is just a business name, address, and phone number listed in different directories throughout the internet. So typically whenever we're searching how many citations any one business has, it's never more than 50 to 75 tops. We always we just go out and get 350 for our clients just because it just you'll beat the competition by a landslide if you do that. So I did view all. You guys are not too far behind the top guys, so I think you're in maybe like the 6th or 7th position. So a little push with those citations would end up landing you here in these top 3 positions. So, just to do a recap for you, you want to get lots of relevant, trustworthy links pointing back at your website. In your case, to beat out that top guy, it's going to be probably about 1,000 more links. Again, relevant, trustworthy, being mindful of those metrics. And then you want to get lots of relevant, keyword rich content on your website with all the proper keywords and lots of content on your back pages. And then you want to get your Google My Business listing optimized and get those 350 citations so you can start ranking in the top 3 and not have to pay for that ad anymore. All right, Brittany, that's all I have for you. I hope you found this helpful and informative. If you have any questions at all, feel free to reach back out to us. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch, and I hope you have a great day.